Reverend Rob Lee. Bold, smart, and straight to the point. This is Tarot with an Attitude.
Hey, everybody, and welcome, Bangarang Tribe. This is a message. I figured I'd sit down today and do a quick reading for just my tribe. Again, instead of one card, you're going to get three. I'm going to tell you what's going on and what Spirit has going on. So let's get this party started. We're jumping in, and right out of the gate, we have the Queen of Wands. Now, what we're talking about here is confidence. I want you to go in today having confidence about creating whatever it is you're wanting to create and moving forward. Confidence and nurturing your dream. We have the squirrel. The squirrel is here reminding us that resources are abundant and around. You're like, Rob, no, they're not. Yeah, sometimes we just got to look for them. You don't see a squirrel sitting still too much. They're always scampering around. Remember that. The next thing we're going to talk about here is the page or knave of cups. And we're talking about curiosity here. Curiosity, getting that passion, just finding love, finding what's going on. What I want you to do today is remember you're supposed to love life, love people, love everything that's going on. Get out in the sun and enjoy it. This is curiosity about things that are happening in your world. I didn't say worry about tomorrow, worry about today. And finally, we have a second page, okay? And this is the Page of Wands. And you know what? Creativity. If it's not hitting you in the face, it's time for you to get to work and create it. Remember, you're nurturing. You have confidence. You know what to do. Find that passion and curiosity about how I can do this different or what I need to do to move on today. And most importantly, move forward into the future, creating something awesome. This knave, this page will create things when things are needed and he doesn't feel like things are happening. You know, if you feel froggy, jump. If you don't, jump anyways. Wow. Bangarang.